So today we are going to be looking at arthritis and rheumatism. A lot of people have actually been suffering from this. People has been calling me talking about that I should talk about arthritis and rheumatism. So here we are today. We want to talk about the remedy for arthritis and rheumatism. Those things you can prepare yourself at home. That is home remedy for arthritis and rheumatism. Okay, so we have a lot to discuss. We have a lot to talk about, and we are going to be preparing them physically so that you will see it and know how to do it yourself. Please watch the video to the end so that you can do it yourself. So without wasting time, let's move to the preparation. Yes, welcome back to my channel. So these are all the recipe we have for rheumatism, arthritis. So please pay attention to the instructions so that you can be able to prepare these things yourself, and also try as much as possible to get all the recipe together for you to have desired result. Okay, so the first thing we have here is neem. This is neem leaf. This neem leaf. So neem leaf is very good for pain, very good for pain. It's very effective for pain. It can actually relieve pain. Okay, so what we do is you get this neem leaf. You can get a little bit above this quantity, okay, depending on how many you want to do, but this is what I want to use for this video. But if you are doing yours, you can get above this. If you can also get the dry one, is also good. So the dry, the fresh, they are all good. Okay, so the first thing is to make sure we wash these things. Okay, make sure you wash it thoroughly. Okay, wash your name. Okay, so we're going to boil. Okay, all right, put it in the pot. So also please try to watch this video to the end. Okay, if you are still here, you have not subscribed to my channel, please quickly do that. Subscribe to my channel. There are lots of things you will benefit here. Okay, so do not forget to hit the like button. Also turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post an amazing video, you will be notified. Thank you for doing so. So the next one is root of palm tree. Okay, so this is root of palm tree, as you can see. So this is the fresh one. This one is already dried. Okay, so you can try as much as possible to get both the dry and the fresh. Okay, that's the root of palm tree. Root of palm tree. Okay, so wash it thoroughly. I've already washed all this one before, but for the purpose of this video, I'm just going through them again. So make sure you wash it. Make sure there are no sand in it. Okay, you add them to your pot. Yes, the next item is this is turmeric. This is ginger. Okay, so I've already washed mine. I've already cut them. I've washed them. That is, this is ginger. This is ginger. Make sure you are using organic ginger. Okay, make sure you are using organic ginger. Yeah, this is turmeric. Okay, make sure you are using the organic one as well. So all this has already been washed. So you cut it into little pieces like this. You add it to your pot. Okay. Okay. So the next thing is to get water. Okay, just get a little water to boil it. Okay, so you can actually boil this for about 10-15 minutes. Is okay. Okay, all right. So for the purpose of this video, I might not be staying up to that time. So if you are boiling, make sure you boil up to 10-15 minutes. Okay, so close your pot, ignite your fire. So that one is going. So the next one is to prepare the cream that we are going to be using for the massaging. Okay, that's the cream you use to massage those joints. Okay, so the first thing we have here is shea butter. Okay, This is shea butter. So get shea butter. All right. Light up your stove. Okay. Just get shea butter. Put it in a saucepan. Okay. You allow it to melt. Okay. Allow it to melt. So we are waiting for the shea butter to melt out. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Make sure you get the original shea butter, okay? Very important. Okay. Make sure you get the original shea butter. Okay. The next thing is to add a little honey, okay? Add a little honey to it. Honey is very good, okay? It's very good, has been used for years. It's very, very good to relieve pain, okay? So you add a little honey. That is, you can add 1 or 2 spoons of honey, but it depends on the quantity you're actually doing, okay? Depend on the quantity you are doing. So you can add more than what I'm having here, okay? Because I'm actually doing a very little quantity, okay? Okay, good. Yeah, the next thing is this. This is your ginger. This is ginger, while this is garlic, okay? The ginger I have here is about 2 ginger. This is about 12 garlic here, okay? Yeah, it's very hot now. Let me reduce the fire. So you add your ginger, okay? And you add your garlic as well. Okay, so you stir it. Okay. Yes, I've actually reduced the fire. Okay, so it's just the heat of the pan that I'm using now. So you stir it very well. Make sure you mix it evenly. Okay. Yes, it's done. So it's done. So you are going to allow it cool. Okay, you allow it to cool down. Then after that, you can put it in a very clean container. So this is the cream. So this is the cream that we'll be using to massage the joints. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you all. Thank you very much. Please, you will not be disappointed here, as I always say. So try this out. It's very good for arthritis, like I said before, and rheumatism. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.